Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to use send later feature on iOS 18. So this is a new feature that iOS 18 offers. So what you want to do is just go to your messages app, and I'll just go to any contact that I have, and once I'm here I'll just tap on the plus icon on the bottom left corner, then just scroll down to more right here. As you can see, there's a new send later option right there. Just simply tap on that, and now you could edit it out. So here, the maximum is just 2 weeks, so you could just advance your message for up to 2 weeks. I don't know if they can extend that in future updates, but let's see. But as you can see right here, you could also adjust the time. Once you're done, you could just make a message right here, then just tap on send, and as you can see, it will send tomorrow at 10:57 a.m. You could also edit that out. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.